The Shillong Law College organized its graduation ceremony on the 27th of October 2025 for the BA LLB batch of 2020-2025 and the LLB batch of 2022-2025. The program was hosted by the Students' Bar Association. The ceremony began with the college anthem and a welcome address by the principal of the college. This was followed by the felicitation of the chief guest, after which awards were presented to outstanding LLB and BA LLB graduates in recognition of their academic excellence. Senior students also delivered heartfelt speeches recounting their experiences, while musical performances added a celebratory touch to the occasion.
It will be the last day to be here in this college. Feel a little bit sad, but on the other side, happy to see all my friends. But to be honest, I am more than happy than sad because we'll go out of this place. Not that I don't like you, teachers, principal, and everybody, but because you have equipped us with strong wings, bigger wings to fly to the higher places. Thank you so much.
A special award was conferred to honor the exceptional contribution and achievements of 2 graduating students. In his address, the chief guest congratulated the graduates and encouraged them to serve society with dedication and integrity as future members of the legal fraternity. The event concluded with a vote of thanks by Dr. M. Kharshiyeng, followed by the national anthem, marking the formal close of the celebration.
During that time, getting a master's degree in law was a most difficult. To be principal of this college and a designated senior advocate of the High Court was not an easy journey. Due to compelling circumstances, I was to leave my home and join Air Force. After working for a few years in the Air Force, or while I was in the Air Force, I was posted in the Upper Shillong. I joined this law college in the year 1973 and I got a law degree in 1976. When I was appointed as a principal of this college, I was given the task of starting a full-time LLB course. That time we were having part-time, and I was given the task of starting with a full-time course. I had only 2 full-time teachers. One is Dr. Sarifuddin, other one is Dr. Jyoti Mojika.